own matcha. To pour the milk. This is in, how you pronounce this restaurant?
Leto.
Leto matcha. Wow. Put it all.
No.
No? Kakaibang matcha ah. Oh, ito naman si Terea. Nice. Wow, what an experience. And this is our
Kasi yung
tea.
bula ang pinaka-ano.
Grabe naman. With matching mint.
Oh, mas kamata.
So I'm gonna pour my tea. Wow, parang nasa Aladdin. Ay, bismillah. Ayun. Galing.
Hindi natin alam anong klaseng tea.
No, it is. What is it? Earl Grey.
With matching. Mint. Sarap.
It's good.
Grabe.
Picturean mo na ang ganda. Ay, go kay Ayman. Why for you that one, Ayman?